Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to search for the flight status in the Star Alliance application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone and then click on the flight status button at the bottom of the page. And as you can see, there are two options that you can choose from. So you can search by route and you can search by flight number. So if you choose the flight number, then just select the airline that you're traveling with, type your flight number, and then set the date of your flight. And if you want to search by route, you have to set the departure and the arrival airports, as well as the date. And then just click on the search for flights button. And that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.